Addiction today is epidemic and catastrophic. If we are not victims ourselves, we most probably know someone struggling with a merciless compulsion to alter their mental state through addictions. There are hundreds of addictions ranging from drugs, alcohol, food, tobacco, sex, gambling, opioids, sugar, internet, porn, television, video games, and shopping that destroys millions of people's health, wealth, happiness, and relationships. In the United States, about 16% of the population between the age group of 12 and older meet criteria for substance use disorder, and about a quarter of all deaths among them are attributed to excessive drug usage. More than 1 in every 5 Americans takes opiates during their lifetime, either illegally or by prescription, or both, as the second most addictive drug behind nicotine. In 2012, 259 million prescriptions were written for opioids, which was more than enough to give every American adult his or her own bottle of pills. Over 85% of the world's adults drink, but only about 1/10 of these develop a problem. In 2012, World Health Organization states excessive use of alcohol now results in about 3.3 million deaths around the world each year. Roughly a third of all visits to the emergency rooms in the U.S. for injuries in 2016 were alcohol-related. As many as 10 million Americans live with a gambling addiction. More than 5% of the U.S. population may suffer from food addiction. In the United States, up to 30 million individuals may be suffering from sex addiction. A large study that pooled data from several sources found that shopping addiction affects about 5% of the population in the U.S. Worldwide, the prevalence of internet addiction has been estimated at 6%. 60% of the U.S. college students consider themselves to have a cell phone addiction, and more than 2 billion people play video games globally, including 150 million in the United States. Online video game addiction statistics show that anywhere from 3 to 4% of gamers have compulsive addiction issues. We see addicts every day. We may be one among them. For some, it's easier to switch from one to another, but those who have chemical addictions of some kind, they tend to struggle to come out of their addictions.